Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure financial strategies with Charles Schwab detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your financial goals. Identify what you want to achieve in both the short term and long term. Assess your current financial situation to gauge where you stand. Gather information on your income, expenses, and existing investments. Visit the Charles Schwab website to explore different financial strategies available. Create an account if you don't already have one. This will allow you to access personalized tools and resources. Utilize the educational resources on the site. Review articles, webinars, and videos that can enhance your financial literacy. Consider scheduling a free consultation with a Schwab financial advisor. Prepare questions regarding your specific financial situation to maximize the meeting. Discuss various investment strategies during your consultation. Explore options such as individual retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, and managed portfolios. Evaluate Schwab's investment research tools for informed decision-making. Take advantage of their market analysis, stock ratings, and investment tips. Understand the fee structures associated with different investment options. Factor in potential costs as you develop your financial plan. Create a diversified investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and goals. Make use of Schwab's Portfolio Builder tool for tailored suggestions. Review your investment strategy periodically. Adjust your portfolio based on market conditions and personal milestones. Utilize Schwab's mobile app for easy access to your accounts. Monitor your investments and stay informed about market trends on the go. Incorporate ongoing education into your financial journey. Continue to explore new strategies and tools offered by Schwab. Join investment workshops or online communities for additional insights. Stay disciplined in following your financial plan. Regularly check in on your progress toward reaching your financial goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.